Next up is the word forbidding. Everybody say it with me. Forbidding. Again, forbidding. Very good job. The word forbidding means prohibiting or ordering someone or something to not do something. So when you forbid, it means you're telling someone not to do. If I forbid you to jump over the fence, it means I do not allow you to do that thing. Let's see the examples. The teacher made a statement forbidding the students to litter. Litter means to throw garbage on the ground. So the teacher made a statement that forbid the students. It means it did not allow them, or it was asking them not to litter. Next example. This sign is forbidding us to swim in the pond. Look at the sign. It clearly says no swimming. It is forbidding. It is not allowing. It is telling them not to do that thing, which is to swim. Think of some words that mean the same as forbidding. Again, write your thoughts in a paper and send them to your teachers. Next up is the word forecast. Again, forecast. Very good job. A forecast is a statement that tells what will or may happen. So, a forecast kinda like tells us what may happen later on or what could happen later. Especially when it comes to weather. You know how on TV sometimes we watch and the forecast would say tomorrow it might rain. That's a forecast. It tells what will or may happen. The weather forecast predicted a sandstorm tomorrow. So, if you watch the weather forecast, it means you're watching a prediction of the weather. Like they will predict and they will say there might be a sandstorm tomorrow. Of course, they will not just sit and guess what the weather will be like. No, they have satellites that go into space, and it's a whole scientific thing that will help them see or know what the weather might be. Next example. The weatherman says that the forecast today is sunny and warm. So look in the TV again. The weatherman says that the forecast today is sunny and warm. So again, they are telling us the weather. Okay. Why do you look at a weather forecast? So why do people switch the news on and they see what the forecast is? For example, if it says tomorrow it's gonna be rainy, or there'll be a sandstorm tomorrow, why do people want to know what the weather will be like? Write it in a piece of paper and send it to your teacher. Next word is relief. Everybody say it with me. Relief. Very good job. Relief is the freeing from discomfort or pain. So when you feel discomfort means not comfortable, the opposite of comfort because of the prefix dis. Or if you feel pain and then the pain goes away or the discomfort goes away, then you feel relief. Everybody say it, relief. Okay, let's look at the examples. This medicine will give you some relief. So if you're sick and you take some medicine, you will feel relief, or you will be freed from discomfort or pain. You will not feel it anymore, pain or discomfort. Next example. It was a relief that Mom found my dog and he was okay. So probably the dog was lost. And how would he feel if the dog is lost? He would feel discomfort. It means he would not be happy. He would be upset. He would be annoyed or sad. So then when mom found the dog, he felt relief. It means he felt what? He felt freed from the discomfort. He did not feel discomfort anymore. Tell about a time when you felt relief. Write it down. Next up is the word stranded. Everybody say stranded. Stranded. Very good job. When people are stranded, they are left in a helpless position. So when you're stranded, it means you are left in a place or at a time wherein you cannot help yourself and you cannot do anything. You are stranded. Look at the example. He was stranded on the island when his plane left him. So look at this man. He was probably just sitting in the island and then his plane left him. So now he's stranded. He is in a helpless position wherein he cannot help himself. Next up. Patricia was stranded at home during the rainstorm. Look at Patricia. She was left helpless at home because of the rainstorm. So she was stranded. Very good job. Now that we're done with all the words, please go to your booklets, pages 59 to 60, and write 3 or more sentences. You can write more than 3. You can write as much as you want, and then send your work to your teachers. Thank you for paying attention, and if you did not understand any word, send a message or a video to your teacher or replay the video to try and get the meaning.